How to buy Wizard Gang token. So this token came under the symbol of wizard. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, go and engage with their community on X. As you can see, they have 613 members there. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 9 days ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trended number 3 in this one section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, first of all, log into your wallet, as you can see here. Now after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. Now after that, click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. After that, click on pricing. Now click on provider and select Jupiter. Click on apply. Now go back. And you will be able to find here swap. Click on it and you will be able after that redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Wizard token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.